Welcome to Archiesense. VA House is an A-frame style house that combines elements of traditional Alpine architecture with a modern twist. The use of silver fir reflects the local character, while concrete provides a contemporary interpretation of the rocks and stones of the surrounding area. The A-frame shape of this house reflects the typical rock formations of the Swiss mountains, with a curved and folded design. This approach aims to create a relaxed and safe atmosphere for travelers, while harmonizing the architecture with the surrounding natural landscape. Located in the Vorarlberg region, this house stands in a unique location with a wealth of material styles and shapes at every turn. Good architecture has become part of the DNA of this region, applied naturally and becoming an integral element in the local environment. Thanks for watching. Hopefully this video gives you some new inspiration. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe so you don't miss any updates from us. See you in the next video.